Itia CTAN aro NNQF ra lead kurina Manibishi Kohima de 147 assistant professor aro librarian kange illegal pra regularized kuridia khilaf protest kuria homoite Naga Students Federation bra taiken lugude khara kuria koina state government ke aji sarkar laga etu fees la wabas lobule 7 din digina se Higher Education Minister ge Taiken likhishe Taiken bishi par representation aro public statement digina etu regularization ge khilaf kuria bichedebi Department bra etu feisla utha opor sawal kurishe sarkar ge 7 din digina NSF koishe etu time de roll back kuria nai gole federation bra rasta de ulaina protest gurubule lagi jabogoshe NSF laga recruitment aro promotion process se transparency meritocracy aro accountability la demand united asegushe etu homoy protesters kun kan Directorate of Higher Education Kohima de judate kuri thagiase taiken putur bra raditak thagiase aro idado Minister Tamjen Imna along laga resignation bi demand korese.
Now, with regard to the letter that has been submitted to the Honorable Minister today, as he will be attending the cabinet meeting, if the government does not concede to the demands of the NSF, we will proceed with our own form of agitation, and we have our own federal structure of federation, and we have our units in all over the districts and beyond the states. So if the state government does not concede in our demand that we have put forth, we will go to any sort of agitation, which will be announced in public platform through the media.
Sir,
Thank you. Yeah.
What kind of rules or checks does NSF want the government to aid in future policies to stop such contract regularization from happening?
Well, the state government today, they are violating their own office memorandum. We all should know this. And NSF are continuously putting a check in all the departments. And this policy, this particular policy was initiated by the department, I would say, without any consultation with NSF, and it was a hide and seek policy, as reiterating our statement. So, to clear the air, NSF continues to oppose such move, not only class 1 gazetted, but even up to the extent of pay level 3 and above. That will be LDA and above. Thank you.
CTA and NNQF tahan already protest to shuru kurina ase to tahan lodi milina edu protest to noloina apnan kile separate lode lakwa ase.
Okay, in response to the question raised by one of the interviewer, I would respond. Of course, they have the same interest as us. We represent the youth and the students community, but we have our own federal structure. NSF is a federal structure, so even if we go ahead with the protest, we will be convening a meeting with our presidents from various tribes. That is how we initiate our own course of action. Thank you.
There is a question, sir. Is NSF ready to have a joint talk with students, teachers, and officials? Because I believe so far there has been no such collaborative discussion yet, and that is what the protesters are also demanding, and representatives from different unions are also demanding.
We can initiate that meeting after the state government revokes the decision. As of now, we have already met one of the cabinet members, so we can have such consultations after the state cabinet revokes the order. Thank you.